In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate your entire crypto trading strategy using Blofin trading bots. We're covering 6 different bot types: grid bots for volatile markets, DCA bots for long-term accumulation, signal bots that execute your TradingView strategies automatically, and more. Whether you want to profit from sideways markets or just accumulate your favorite coins while you sleep, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a bot running that trades for you 24/7. Let's get started. First things first, you need a Blofin account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description. You'll get access to exclusive bonuses just for signing up and trading. I'll show you exactly how to claim those later in the video. It takes less than a minute to create your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you have funds in your account. If you need to deposit, just go to Assets, click Deposit, select USDT, choose your network. I recommend TRC20 for low fees, and send your funds. They'll arrive in a few minutes. Now let's get into the bots. Hover over Futures in the top menu and click on Trading Bots. This is your bot dashboard. At the top, you'll see your total P&L, total assets, and bots running. Now scroll down a little and you'll see something really cool. Blofin will actually match you to the right trading bot based on your preferences. Click on Try Easy Bot. Here, you can answer some questions like, what contracts or currency would you like to focus on? What market direction are you expecting? Bullish, bearish, or volatile? Once you're done, click on Get My Match. Blofin's AI will pick the best match based on your criteria. You can see the type of bot, the backtested APR, suggested period, and even the reason why Blofin AI matched you with this bot. This is perfect if you just want to get started fast without overthinking it. Now scroll down a little more and you'll see the Create My Bot section. Here you can see all the bots available. You can also see the market direction and the right bot for that market condition: bullish, bearish, slicing, and sideways bots. We'll get back to how to create one yourself in just a few minutes. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see AI bots provided by Blofin. Here you can see the crypto, what kind of trend it's in, what kind of bot is recommended, the bias, and the leverage being used. You can also see the backtested APR, profit per grid, price range, and grid quantity. This gives you a ton of data to decide if you want to copy one of these bots. Once you click on Create Now on one of these bots, it'll take you to the trading dashboard where you can see all the parameters. All you need to do is input your investment amount and click Create, whether it's a buy or sell position. Now that you know how to navigate the dashboard, let's talk about all the bot types available. Here you can see different kinds of bots. Futures Grid, ideal for volatile markets. It profits from price swings by placing buy and sell orders across a defined price range. Futures DCA, dollar cost averaging for futures. It buys at regular intervals regardless of price, perfect for long-term accumulation with leverage. Spot Grid works like Futures Grid but without leverage, great for sideways markets where you want to buy low and sell high automatically. Spot DCA, the safest option. It buys your chosen crypto at regular intervals without leverage, removing emotion from investing. Signal Bot. This one's unique. It lets you automate trades based on TradingView signals, TWAP, time-weighted average price. It spreads your order over a set period to avoid slippage. Now let me show you how to create each one, starting with the most popular, Futures Grid. Let's create a Futures Grid bot from scratch. This is one of the most popular bots because it profits from volatility. Click on Futures Grid. On the upper left, you can select your trading pair. Let's go with Bitcoin USDT. You can search for any pair you want here. On the right side, you'll see Blofin AI's picks. These are pre-built bots with their stats. If you want to use those as a reference, you have 2 modes: AI strategies and manual mode. Let's start with AI strategy. Here, Blofin's AI will show you the pre-made bots. You can choose the direction here, such as buy, sell, and neutral. Here you can also see the name of the bot, leverage used, backtested, APR, price range, profits per grid, and grid quantity based on current market conditions. Once you click on Create Now, all you need to do is input your total investment amount. You can see on the chart on the left side the preview grids where it will buy or sell based on your parameters. Now, if you want full control, you can switch to manual mode by clicking on Adjust Parameters. Here, you can manually set the price range, number of grids, and leverage yourself. You can also see Take Profit and Stop Loss, which I highly recommend enabling. These are optional, but they give you extra control over risk management. You can also set the grid mode such as arithmetic and geometric. Arithmetic means the price difference between each grid is equal. So if you set grids $100 apart, every grid will be exactly $100 apart. Geometric means the percentage difference between grids is equal. This is better for volatile markets because it adjusts to larger price swings. Once everything looks good, click Create and your Futures Grid Bot goes live. Next up is the Futures DCA Bot. Dollar cost averaging with leverage. This is ideal if you want to accumulate a position over time while using leverage to amplify your returns. Here's how it works. First, select your trading pair. Choose the crypto you want to invest in on the upper left corner. On the right side, you can still see two modes like before, AI strategies and manual. You can choose between buy and sell and see the Blofin AI bot recommendations. You can see the name, leverage used, backtested APR, max safety orders, price steps, and take profit cycle. If you've selected the one you like, click on Create Now. Here, you can input the invested amount. Once you've set everything up, click Create and the bot takes care of the rest. Now, if you want full control, you can adjust it by going to manual mode by clicking on Adjust Parameters. Here, you can manually set the price steps, take profit per cycle, and max safety orders. Price steps determine how far the price needs to drop before the bot buys again. Max safety orders is the maximum number of times the bot will add to your position. Take profit per cycle sets the profit percentage the bot aims for before closing the entire position. Once everything is to your liking, click on Create and the bot will be live. The Spot Grid Bot works just like the Futures Grid, but without leverage. It's perfect if you want to buy low and sell high automatically in a sideways market without the risk of liquidation. Click on Spot Grid. On the upper left, you can select your trading pair. Let's go with Ethereum USDT. You can search for any pair you want here. On the right side, you'll see Blofin AI's picks. These are pre-built bots with their stats. If you want to use those as a reference, you have two modes, AI strategies and manual mode. Let's start with AI strategy. Here, Blofin's AI will show you the pre-made bots. Here you can also see the name of the bot, backtested APR, price range, profits per grid, and grid quantity based on current market conditions. Notice there's no leverage here. You're only trading with your own capital, which makes this much safer. Once you click on Create Now, all you need to do is input your total investment amount. You can see on the chart on the left side the preview grids where it will buy or sell based on your parameters. The bot will place buy orders at the lower end of the range and sell orders at the upper end, capturing profit from every price swing. This is great for accumulating a position over time without leverage. Now, if you want full control, you can switch to manual mode by clicking on Adjust Parameters. Here, you can manually set the price range and number of grids yourself. You can also set the grid mode, such as arithmetic and geometric, just like with Futures Grid. Once everything looks good, click Create and your Spot Grid Bot goes live. The Spot DCA Bot is the safest option. It's perfect for long-term investors who want to accumulate without leverage and without worrying about market timing. Click on Spot DCA. Here's how it works. First, select your trading pair. Choose the crypto you want to invest in on the upper left corner. On the right side, you can still see two modes like before, AI strategies and manual. You can see the name, backtested APR, max safety orders, price steps, and take profit cycle. Notice there's no leverage here. This is pure spot trading, which means you're only using your own capital with zero liquidation risk. If you've selected the one you like, click on Create Now. Here, you can input the invested amount. The bot will automatically buy at regular intervals, no matter what the price is. This removes all emotion from investing and helps you build a position over time. Once you've set everything up, click Create and the bot takes care of the rest. Now, if you want full control, you can adjust it by going to manual mode by clicking on Adjust Parameters. Here, you can manually set the price steps, take profit per cycle, and max safety orders. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. You don't need to watch charts. You don't need to time the market. You just let the bot accumulate for you over weeks, months, or even years. Once everything is to your liking, click on Create and the bot will be live. Now let's talk about the Signal bot. This one's really interesting because it lets you automate trades based on TradingView signals. When you click on Signal bot, it'll take you to the trading dashboard. At the top right, you'll see an Add a Signal button. Click on that. Here's how it works. Blofin signal bots can parse signals generated by TradingView strategy scripts. This means if you have a trading strategy on TradingView, you can connect it directly to Blofin and automate your trades. Now here's what you need to know. Do not share your webhook URL or signal token with anyone. Blofin only supports one-way position mode. Make sure your TradingView strategy doesn't rely on hedge mode. There may be risks of signal loss or delay since this relies on a third-party platform. Alright, so here's how to set it up. First, create a signal name and signal description. This is just for your own reference. Once you've done that, click Next. Blofin will provide you with a webhook URL and an alert message. Copy this webhook URL. You'll need it for TradingView. Now go to TradingView, open your strategy, click on Alerts, and paste the webhook URL and alert message into your alert settings. Once you're done, click Complete on Blofin. Your signal will now show up in My Signals. From here, you can create a bot based on those signals. Click on Create Bot. Here you can edit the symbol, set your leverage, and input your invested margin. In the advanced settings, you can choose your entry settings. You can base it on the TradingView signal, use a fixed margin, a percentage of your margin, or a percentage of your free investment. You can also enable multiple entry. This allows the bot to add to your position if the signal triggers again. This is perfect for scaling into positions. Set your take profit and stop loss levels. Once you're done, click Create Bot. If you ever want to delete or edit a signal, just click on More next to the signal name. The last bot is TWAP, Time Weighted Average Price. This bot is designed to spread your order over a set period of time to avoid slippage and get a better average entry price. Here's how it works. You can see the margin mode and leverage settings at the top. Next, input the amount you want to invest and set the total time. You can set this in hours and minutes. You can also change the frequency from 5 seconds all the way up to 60 seconds. This controls how often the bot places orders within your set time period. Here's why this is useful. If you're entering a large position, placing one big market order can move the price against you. TWAP splits your order into smaller chunks and executes them over time, giving you a better average price and reducing market impact. Once you're done, click Buy Long if you're going long or Sell Short if you're going short. The bot will automatically spread your order over the time period you set. Now, before we wrap up, let me show you how to claim your bonuses. If you signed up with my link in the description, you have access to exclusive rewards. Go to the Rewards Hub in your account. Here you can see all the bonuses available, deposit bonuses, trading volume rewards, and more. Make sure to claim these. It's literally free money just for using the platform. The exact bonuses depend on your region and account status, so check your Rewards Hub to see what's available for you. Alright, so now you know how to use every single trading bot on Blofin. Whether you want to profit from volatility with grid bots, accumulate with DCA, automate your TradingView strategies with signal bots, or execute large orders with TWAP, you've got the tools And don't forget, if you signed up with my link in the description, make sure to check the rewards hub and claim your bonuses. If you want a more detailed walkthrough of the Blofin platform, how to deposit, trade futures, and use all the features, click on the video popping up on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.